Hey everyone, in the previous videos we have learned about the numbers and their operations and casting. Now we will move to the second data type, that is strings. That is the most important and common data type in Python. Generally, any data, most of you consider them as numbers and set of characters like C, D, A, B, and like water. These are all alphabets here, but if we consider this one, it's a word. But in case of Python, we will consider all these things as strings. Unlike the other programming languages where these things are considered as characters, like in C, we have these things number, these things characters, and these are strings. That is the array of characters. But in case of Python, like if here I have Python, and you will write something like type of C, that is a character. But in case of Python, you will get this one also as string. And if you also write this one type, and here I have water, this will also a string. One more thing, if you write type and parentheses, in parentheses quote to again quote, you will also get string. Why this happen? Because in Python language, string is not something the alphabet. Python language understands strings as the data that is between the quotes. Like if I have x is equal to, if it's like something 2, 3, 3.3 and anything like that, it will be considered as number. And if it is between the quotes, it's considered as a string. Similar, all other data types like list, tuples, and dictionaries that you are going to learn later in this course have one thing common, that is their unique characteristics that define them. So here in strings we have double quotes and single quotes. Both the thing written in these things is a string, whatever it is, whether it's a number, any alphabet, like also if I have type and here I have in quotes S, 2, 3, D, 4, whatever you want to add, and you will get string. Whatever you want, write, it doesn't matter. So that's the string. The group of words that is between the quotes is known as a string, and that's the string here. And now we will learn about the operations and methods related to strings and the indexing, slicing in the next videos. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.